Middleweight cruiser motorcycles Scout Rogue Review, performance cruiser in midweight class? Indian Scout Rogue Review, middleweight cruiser motorcycles, performance cruiser 2025, Indian motorcycle design, Scout Rogue performance, midweight V-twin, best cruiser for beginners, YouTube motorcycle reviews. In the growing world of middleweight cruiser motorcycles, the Indian Scout Rogue is emerging as one of the most compelling options for 2025. Designed for riders who want more than just classic bobber styling, the Scout Rogue blends aggressive looks with solid performance, making it a true performance cruiser in the midweight class. The Indian Scout Rogue Review begins with its unmistakable design. Taking inspiration from urban custom culture, the Rogue features a quarter fairing, blacked-out finishes, mini-ape handlebars, and 19-inch front wheels that add attitude to its stance. It's a motorcycle that looks fast even when standing still, appealing to riders who want both function and a bold street presence. At the heart of the Scout Rogue performance is the proven 1,133 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine that delivers 100 horsepower and 72 lb-ft of torque. That output sets it apart from many other midweight V-twin cruisers, placing the Rogue firmly in the performance category. Whether in city traffic or open highways, the engine offers smooth power delivery with plenty of muscle for quick overtakes and spirited rides. Handling is another area where the Rogue shines. With its upgraded suspension and a slightly sportier riding position compared to the Scout Bobber 60, it balances cruiser comfort with agility. Riders report that the Rogue feels planted in corners, with predictable steering and excellent road feedback, making it one of the most versatile models in Indian's middleweight lineup. While some competitors lean heavily into tradition, the Scout Rogue pushes a modernized cruiser vision. It maintains the Indian motorcycle design DNA but adds performance-focused elements that appeal to younger and more dynamic riders. Its ergonomics also strike a balance, low enough for shorter riders while providing enough legroom for taller ones, positioning it as one of the best cruiser for beginners who also want room to grow. On the digital stage, the Rogue has gained strong traction through YouTube motorcycle reviews. Popular channels have showcased its blend of style and performance, often comparing it against Harley-Davidson's Nightster and Honda's Rebel 1100. Videos like Indian Scout Rogue vs Harley Nightster, Midweight Cruiser Battle and Living with the Scout Rogue, Daily Ride Review have gathered hundreds of thousands of views, showing the model's strong relevance in the online motorcycle community. Many reviewers highlight the Rogue as Indian's most aggressive middleweight, praising its power-to-weight ratio, unique looks, and customization potential. Conclusion: the Indian Scout Rogue demonstrates that Performance Cruiser 2025 models can still balance style, usability, and power in the middleweight cruiser motorcycles category. With its aggressive design, strong Scout Rogue performance, and growing popularity across YouTube motorcycle reviews, the Rogue proves that Indian is not only honoring its heritage but also pushing into the future with bold offerings. For riders seeking a midweight machine that combines classic V-twin muscle with modern urban flair, the Scout Rogue might just be the standout choice in 2025.